let's do the laundry. Here, ready?
Yeah, thank you.
What do we do next? Do we put it in the washing machine? The sock? Okay. What are those? Okay. Are those pants? Yeah. Well, you're very helpful. All right, you got that all set. Okay. Gonna shut the door? Okay. Okay, do you have to put the soap in? Can you open
No,
the
wait. Yeah, can you go here?
open the drawer for the soap? Okay.
Oh, do we need to shut the door?
Oh, okay, we're gonna shut the door. Okay.
Okay.
That's the soap.
Okay, here we go. Put the soap. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Does it go round and round?
Uh-oh. Oh, it's so soft.